amigos. Mainly sunny and 20 degrees today. Look at that. Beautiful day. Dean's off sick. No, she's got a migraine. Probably working. Anyway, listen, thank you for watching the Pete Show. I want to remind you a couple events happening this weekend at the Oliver Road Rec Center from noon to 6 on Sunday. Jaco Polke is trying to raise some money to go back to Malawi and help out the kids in, well, that's the worst part of the world. So if you got $7, you can do some meatballs and some spaghetti from noon to 6 on Sunday. You know how it works, you bring out tea and that kind of stuff. And then there's a fashion show that the person holding the Blackberry Storm is in on Sunday as well. That would be Holly. Hey, hi, Holly. Now, it says here that you guys are going to be modeling, this is for the MS Society, in the Tiberia room of the Arlington Hotel from noon to 4. You're modeling fashions from Nygaard and perfect fit lingerie. You indeed.
You won't be.
You won't be doing the lingerie?
No.
Really?
More like pajamas.
Oh, all right. Well, can we say Teddy or something naughty so more people go?
Sure.
All right, yeah. She'll be practically naked. And if you like what you see, they got hotel rooms. I'm kidding, Dee. Nothing here to defend yourself, but anyway. So that's cool. Congratulations. Snap-a-doodle. Yesterday we were doing deism. Snap-a-doodle. What else was there?
OMG.
OMG. And,
Flapjack.
Oh, flapjacks. That's right. There's a few more. Anyway. So a couple things happening this weekend. Monday on the show, we are doing the OLP Grand Prize announcement, and we start giving away Ron White comedy tickets. Have a great weekend, y'all.
Just a touch of a Blackberry Storm